Hello, lovelies. I'm cookbook author and TV show host, Chef Angela Michelle. I love food. I love shopping for fresh ingredients. I love using herbs and spices, all of these things to create beautiful culinary masterpieces. And that's why I'm here. I want to show you how to create these dishes in your own home. Everything, absolutely everything from fruit, seafood, Asian food. We also have Indian food. You can use chicken, beef, seafood, even plant-based. All here, all for you on Delicious Dish Demos by myself, Chef Angela Michelle, presented by Culinary Kisses. Food and kisses. Now enjoy the next demo. Hello lovelies, this is Chef Angela Michelle and I'm going to share with you my famous recipe for Cowboy Caviar. Talk about quick but tasty. It is the perfect dish for special gatherings, potluck, anywhere you want to take a delicious dish, this is it. Both vegans and meat eaters will enjoy it, trust me. So first, watch how quick and easy this dish is to prepare. Then go to my blog, From the Catwalk to the Kitchen, and download the recipe. Don't worry, you can thank me later. Cowboy Caviar. Yes, it's caviar. Let's go ahead and start with a dark green poblano pepper. Add a little light green in there with the Anaheim pepper. Get a little purple in there with red onion, and then let's brighten it up with a little red bell pepper. Everything, as you notice, is about the same size, bite size, right? Looks very colorful and very delicious. Now these 4 ingredients are going to be your building blocks for your flavor profile. They're called aromatics. So we start with a little butter, and that can be vegan butter, of course. Go ahead and get all 4 of those ingredients in there, your 3 peppers and onion, and then give it a little stir to mix everything together. Doesn't that look good? Like already it looks very delicious. But there's more to this cowboy caviar. Let's get some chili powder, coriander, salt, and ground black pepper. Let those spices toast a little bit with those veggies and that butter. Looking a little bit better, right? Still looks very tasty. But let's get the stars of the show in there. I love using fire roasted corn. Get some black beans and then toss everything together to mix well. We're gonna brighten it a little bit with a little fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice. Oh, can you imagine how this tastes? You actually don't have to imagine. You can go to my blog, which is From the Catwalk to the Kitchen, and download this quick, easy, delicious recipe, and you could have cowboy caviar on your dinner table within 15 minutes. There you have it. My interpretation of cowboy caviar. Looks delicious.